Andile Mtambo is an upcoming actor or director, phinda producer futhi owaziwa kakhulu ngelikaMsele on Uzalo.
Please tell us about your upcoming stage play.
Ngine show ekuthiwa i-The Cursed Traveller ezodlala ezodlala e-DUT.
Yes.
Ngomhla ka-21 February kulo mgqibelo lo 2026 izoqala ngo-5 iphele ngo-6:30 e-DUT eRichson campus.
Yes.
Yes sir. The Cursed Traveller ilandela istory sawini somuntu esifazane, like ilandela the expert or the theme of ulimi liyadala. Uwini, she goes through all the passages of life ezama ukufinyelela impumelelweni, ezama ukufinyelela empilweni engcono, azayitshela ukuthi mhlambe khona abantu abamthakatha, because sometimes you end up feeling ukuthi sithakathiwe or vele mina nginebhadi, ngazalwa nginebhadi, kanti cha.
Yes.
Yonke lento yenzeka because once upon a time umzali wakho wakhuluma like bad words phezu kwempilo yakho, wakhuluma ukuthi mhlambe wonile, wakhuluma ukuthi sibanibani ngeke uzobe yilutho ngenxa yokuthi wenza ukuthi nokuthi sibanibani uyintsha, sibanibani uzoba yini uma ungalaleli, ngeke uzobe yilutho uyohlala umkhufefe kanje, or even uqamba ingane nje ukuthi hey ave yiphara lelo phara or usigebengu or all those things hamba ingane zingamele. So uwini uhamba lapha azafike kwisikole ukuthi sigcine simtshela ukuthi no, wena ngeke ngikusize ngamuthi wena, into engizokusiza ngayo nje hamba ubuyele kuma wakho, uma wakho athathe back those words akukhulule because akubophile empilweni yakho.
Yes. What are you hoping to achieve with this show?
Ngifuna nje ukudlulisa umyalezo ukuthi as abantu abamnyama ababhilivela kakhulu ku spirituality, ababhilivela kakhulu enkulumweni, hence kunanesisho sithi ulimi liyakha, ulimi liyadala. Ngifuna ukuthi kudlule imessage ebantwini ukuthi einganeni zethu asikhulumeni impilo phezulu kwempilo zazo, esikhulisa igeneration esifuna ukuthi yenze kangcono kunathi. Asisameni ukukhulisa izingane zethu ngendlela efanele ukuze izwe lizobuya, because if izingane zingakhuli ngendlela efanele lezwe leli lizoshabalala for good.
Yes. Is this your first show?
Le ishow ngathi ishow yesithathu engiyidirectile, but ishow yesibili ngiyi-ownayo ukuthi cha ishow yami, but yesithathu ngiyidirectile. Khona ke ngayenza community arts Playhouse, but this one eyami ngidirectile and then ngayibhala, ngayiproducer futhi.
When was your first one?
My first one 2022. On 2022.
Yes.
Yes.
So tell us about your character Msele on Uzalo. How was it?
That character ngathini, character engasoze ngayikhohlwa impilo yami yonke, because iyona evule kakhulu iminyango, iyona engenze ngaqala nami ukubona ukuthi okay khona la ngiyakhona. So yayinzima because angiyeni lo muntu lo engangimdlala, so I had to go deeper and then uyimisela ke ubona ngama results yangunisa ama-Simons out best actor and best supporting actor, and ngiyajabula ukuthi wawukhona lapho ngi-interviewa kuma-Simons, and now today sila futhi. Yes sir.
Yes. Can you remind us how was your feeling getting that 2 major award?
Angiyena umuntu okhala kakhulu, but ngiyakhumbula ngafikelwa inyembezi, ngangine speech ngangisiprepare, but angiwazange ngisho ukusikhipha ngisifunde because ngangingakholwa. I couldn't believe, because ngangitshela ukuthi hayi into eyokwenzeka le mhlambe 10 years to come, and then uNkulunkulu ke wabese wathi no, okudinga kuzokwenzeka manje as long as ukholelwa uyimisela futhi.
So are we going to see you writing and directing more shows going forward?
Yes, I'm going to write more shows, direct more shows, and I'm gonna be on the screen for very soon. There is a show, that big one, and you should have like currently